falling free. Try my best not to forget what happened to us, what happened to me, what happened as I let it slip. I was confused by the powers that be, forgetting names and faces. Passers-by were looking at me as if they could erase it. Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
Welcome to Transcend Money Community. My name is Tony, and today's video we are going to analyze the situation where we are right now. Spectacular, with so many news, so many energy tension. The price, we have China that is printing a lot of money right now. The stocks of China, they are pumping, so that I think is one of the reasons why Bitcoin is pumping also, because more and more liquidity, more and more fiat currencies are coming to the market. And also we have the tensions between Israel and Iran, and right now seems like US is in the side of Israel very strong, and Russia is in the side of Iran. In fact, it's so like that seems officially this 11th of October, the President Putin and the President of Iran, they're gonna meet. And you have all the news. If you want, you can follow the Twitter and Transcend Money T, and we have all the news here. And yeah, part of the Argentina maybe is gonna take the Bitcoin as treasury, so that can be huge. We have all the tensions with Israel, Lebanon, etc., you know, and so that can blow up at any point. And the fact is, like, Iran seems like there are rumors, not 100% confirmed yet, but seems that they did a test in the desert in Iran with a nuclear bomb. So for that reason, Israel is assessing which is the retaliation, I don't know how you say, but which are the actions they're gonna take against Iran or other countries. We'll see how it's gonna go. And in fact, tonight, China government is gonna have an important meeting, so about financials, so that also can affect very strong. So basically, for me, the summary is like Bitcoin is bullish, but at any point, if someone push a button and some rockets are launched, then the situation can change dramatically in the other direction, right? So we have to handle this level of risk. right now, congratulations everyone, especially the ones that they were long in SUI. Congratulations, that was a good one. I was longing, shorting, everything, and right now I'm short. Right now I'm short. So let's go for the levels, because now we can see that there is a lot of pressure in the 64, basically 63, 850, 950. Let me check the audio and everything is good. Welcome David and Random and Edgar. Seems everyone is from the Spanish channel. I don't know if there is someone new from YouTube, but anyway, let's go for it. Then I think we're gonna have a correction. It's not gonna be very big, because in the 63,100 and 63,450 already we have liquidity to stop the price. How amazing is that? So they want to hold the price of Bitcoin right now in the 63 and 63,100, and I think they're gonna achieve that the first time that they're gonna touch this liquidity. The question is gonna be the second time what is gonna happen. So here we have 264, we're going for 2 pixels, this is the situation, and then 63,450, this will be very impressive if the price bounce here, but the liquidity is lower, 156 Bitcoins, $9.2 million. So this will be for me more scalping, 450, around here. So 1 pixel because it's less than 200. This is the situation right now, so the prices start to be compacted. But then, where do we have the liquidity? Seems that the strongest one right now is 58,500. We have this 47 all the time, every day around there, but it's a big investor that I think is betting very hard that we're gonna have a war at any point. That seems high probable in my opinion. There are a lot of news you can check in Twitter or our Twitter from Trance Money that today there were some rockets launch, some attacks in inland, outland, to boats. So it's like so many things happening, and there are so many countries involved, and more they are joining one or the other side. So plus we have this unknown right now that if Iran is gonna be nuclear or not, and Pakistan already declared that they are nuclear power, that is better Israel don't attack Pakistan. So the situation is quite intense, but is bullish for the price of Bitcoin, the fact that there is a lot of liquidity on the markets from US and from China. So let's go for that. Let's go for the resistance, but I'm gonna put the 58,100. That also is not really, the 58,500 is more lively right now. 373 Bitcoins. This is from yesterday. By the way, so yesterday we were, I think, here, right? So we had the pump, we get rejected, the price try again, rejected one more time, and then pump to the next level with overshoot a little bit, then went to check out the resistance we had to put like support, and broke it again, and now went to test it again, right? So I mean, the price want to break. Let's see if have enough power or not, and if we have some crazy situation in the following days. So 58,500 will be this one. This I think could be a good entry point around here. 58,500. This one. You know that this is the institutional order book. Here you have. And this is the Trance Money website that, by the way, soon we're gonna have the new one. I think this week we'll launch the first prototype with basic functionality, but at least you can see the new face of the website. So, and this one is gonna be 373. So quite strong. And then we have some 6500 and 62 as yesterday. So this will be another point where we have the first bounce probably, right? The second time we try this one, I don't know how it's gonna go. We should check the institutional order book. So there we go. This one will be 6500 with 263 bitcoins, $15.9 million. And then we have the 62. So this is much more bullish because we have the 62. That means they're gonna try to keep the price around here, and it's 246 bitcoins, 46 trades. So that can be super powerful if the price of Bitcoin can handle this price. I'm gonna make a poll and I'm gonna tell you this week, if you are bull, this week you are bull, short or long, short or long. There we go. It's totally different to make a poll in the English channel because still we are a small group of people, but I think soon we're gonna reach the 100 subscribers. So thank you very much for everyone that is subscribing, and to remind to click the like button. So okay, obviously I have to practice more English, but little by little every week I will improve. So for the bullish side, we have the 64, super clear. We have grid, so this is gonna be the first hit for sure, and it's quite important. So I expect the first test to be rejected because there are like more than 600 bitcoins, right? And then we have also the 850 that will be around here. So this is gonna be red and 4 pixels because is more than 400 bitcoins. There we go. And then we have 65. And then we have 65. So first stop here in 64, high probability, and then 65. Let's go for that. So basically with all these lines, for people that is new, these are the walls, liquidity walls. So is where the market can turn around. So where is red, shorts, where is long, where is green, long. Obviously, if it's close to the price, that means that the risk is higher that can break it, right? So it's more for scalping, the ones that they are closer. So 65, there we go. So which are our targets? Sorry, so then I move wrong the price. This one here. And these ones are right now 63, 850. And there we go. And 950, that will be here. So a lot of pressure now for selling. So probably we're gonna go to this region in the next hours. What do you think? Okay, so a lot of pressure, selling pressure. A lot of selling pressure right now. For that reason, it's in yellow. Is it? By the way, everyone can use the website, or do you have any issue with the website? So the yellow means that we are closer than the 0.5%. So that means that they are in a high risk to lose this liquidity that they are introducing to the market with the limit orders. So in this case, for me, have more relevance. So I consider that we're gonna have a correction from here. Maybe in the 6300, we're gonna have a bounce there, right? So let's see the pool, how it's going. Just one person reply. So and it's long. So are you long or are you short? So let's go for that. And then the next one, okay, so we put our 3 levels, and then of course we'll have this 47, right? But that's war. For me, this 47 again is war. like international war. And this is like just a simple correction, right? So we see here the red line that is bringing a lot of pressure to sell in the 64. Random, I'm long this week. We'll see on Sunday. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So you are long to 65, 70, which level random? But you were long also with me, but you could exit here. So you keep long. But I recommend you, if you are long, that just push a little bit higher the limit order with warranty gains. 67. 67 is here. It's possible. 67 500 in fact. So let's put that one. That will be no war basically, or good news. Some kind of that they're gonna think about, because right now Israel is just assessing which kind of retaliation they're gonna do, because considering that probably Iran, they have nuclear weapons, and by officially Iran already say that in 15 minutes they're gonna retaliate. The retaliation of Israel. So if Israel attack Iran, Iran in 15 minutes is gonna counterattack. So as you can see, Israel is taking more time thinking what they're gonna do, and Iran is gonna be immediate response. So that's the situation. And so we have also Solana, that is Solana had a good trade today with a short. But look, also you can do shorts, longs, you can do everything today. So we have good times. By the way, let's check the volume, because I think probably the volume is quite high today. No. Wow. I'm in shock. Just $15 billion. I'm totally in shock. What are you talking about? You kidding me? I was thinking we had more volume. I'm gonna go daily. Wow, 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 wow. There is no volume. There is no volume. So that means this can be a fake out. Is very low volume, very low volume. Wow, interesting. By the way, the RSI one day is on the way to oversold, 4 hours oversold, 1 hour almost oversold. So yeah, maybe we can go for the 65, and there, I think correction 67 will be amazing. The first try, eh? What I'm saying is, like, it's very difficult that it's going straight up. I think probably it's gonna bounce here, it's gonna try here, or the next one, or even the white one, and then try again. And if it's breaking, then 65, and then it's gonna correct again. And if we're going up, should bounce here, in my opinion. But we'll see in real time with the order book, right? Because this can change so fast that I think we should pay a lot of attention to the liquidity and liquidations. So let's go for the liquidations. By the way, October is already green, 0.04, and I don't think the ETF, they bought a lot, right? We have to wait for tomorrow. Okay, and let's go for wow. It's all over the place, all over the place. Between 60 and 67, there are long shorts. And by the way, if you are long today, still you earning now I'm in 2 positions in short, and they pay you to be in short right now, because the funding is positive. And so yeah, they pay you every 8 hours right now if it's keeping positive. In fact, in 23 minutes they're gonna pay me some interest instead of paying. So the longs are paying now to their shorts. Okay, let's go. So then we have already Bitcoin let's check Solana. Do you have something, another coin that you are interested? There are someone with Sui or not here. NATO pump like crazy. Let's see how is Solana. Because Solana today I had a nice short, but now it's pumping again, so it's insane. It's like bam, 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 up and down, up and down. Let's go for it. Hey Tony, Ethereum, please. Let's go for Ethereum. Let's finish quickly Solana. Let's go. Okay. And 1 hour. That's $150. Nice. Okay, so let's go for the supports and resistance in Solana. We still have to wait. Let me prepare also Ethereum. There we go. Let's see Ethereum. 85. So this is probably war, and it is, of course, I have, I don't know if I have, yeah, I have in a spot to buy 85. But in futures, I'm shorting. I think, yeah, of course, for that reason, I'm in short already, because I had 149. Okay, so 152 and 157. So 57 now will be for me to try the short. I have been checking IO out. It looks like a good project. So for me right now, 57, 52, and 150. That will be the points for Solana. And 125, 142, and 85. Look the brutal movement that Solana can have. And Ethereum, what do we have? 30,000, 26. What? 26,000? Wow. And then, but this is, yeah, 25.50. Also, that's quite good. And 25.29. This is not, because it's there is no liquidity. So probably 25.50 and 25, of course, 25, but there is not so much liquidity, just 735 Bitcoin, Ethereum 1.83 is not so much. A ver, let me see the chart. Ethereum. In fact, we reached 25.21, and then to long 23, 24, 24, 30. Quite easy, right? This will be, of course, closer to the price will be for scalping, right? So which prices are you looking at random? Dennis, which prices are you looking at Ethereum? Dennis, because I guess if you like Ethereum, that means that you are in long, holding, and probably, I don't know, you are long or short. That will be interesting. Why I have here, take a picture now. I'm gonna vote short. So we have three votes. Okay, so there we go. And let me check again. Wow, so I'm gonna try again, enter a little bit short in Solana. But Solana is very tricky because if it's pumping, it's gonna push a lot up. So Solana I have 154.9, and maybe now I should change. 57 is the most powerful right now. 57 by far. So I'm gonna change to 57 because right now but with a small quantities. I'm entering with a small quantities. 26 short, that's a good one. But in fact 26, wow, yeah, 26 is power. Yeah, maybe I will do a little bit of grid, and I will do a small quantity 25.50 too. But yeah, that's depend. Everyone is different, right? So okay. By the way, you know, my favorite exchange is Mexc, that don't have commissions. You have down below the link if you want. The Transfer Money web, the traditional version, also the Twitter, and soon we'll have the new version. And here you have the link down below if you want the lower fees in the market, Mexc. Okay, there we go. So Bamba for me will be this 157. Probably I will do 2. I will do 257 for sure, because it's quite a lot of quantities, 5%, and I think the first try will be rejected, 157. So there we go. That will be 5.1, and then I'm gonna go 156.7. I have to go to change the token. Which is your favorite exchange? Did you see BG? The BitGet coin just did a while ago. Do you mean a pump or dump? I think it went down, no? It's not a coin. This is important, random. It's not a coin, it's a token. It's a token that is totally different. Token is 5 minutes and you can do tokens. A ver, let me see. Can we go to Solana, please? Because I would like to go 156.7. 50% dump. Not surprised, because it's what we're saying. If the volume is very low, they can move the price wherever they want, right? So I'm totally not surprised with that. Just if somebody want to sell strong, they're gonna move the price, that's for sure. So we have 5 people, and most of them, they are thinking short. That's interesting. In yesterday video we had a lot of people long, but this one seems like most people is short. Okay, so that will be for Solana. Solana will be that position, 156.7. I'm gonna enter short. I'm risking, yes, but I believe it's gonna be this week. I don't know if it's gonna be this week or not, but the risk is too high for me. In fact, I didn't sell any crypto, just I'm entering short. Little by little, I'm entering short. If the price is going up, I'm going more short. Seems like Friday, the Putin and the president of Iran, they're gonna meet. So we're gonna have all the week without any incident. I don't think so. I think the probabilities are low. But now seems they are higher, that we don't wanna have any problem, because at least, but everything is in a alert. So let's see what happens. We don't know when they're gonna decide to click the bottom, right? So it's gonna be very tricky, very tricky. Here is the moments where you can make more money in the market, but also lose it. So you have to be in the right direction with the right stop loss. But if there is a big move, it's gonna be potentially really good trade. Memes market in Solana bring high volume into Sol. Yeah, in fact, Solana now is like 40 million transactions, and I think per day, and I think the total market is 21 million. So it's more than half. Solana move more than half of the total transactions of all the smart contract chains. That's quite a feat, eh? Yeah, so there we go. I will place with my phone because when I'm doing this, okay. Can we do it now? Yes, 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 yes. And 155 could be also. 155 could be also. So seems that doesn't work. So that will be my positions right now. I'm entering short, 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 short. Going up, short, 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 short. And let's see which is the final result. But I think the question is like they're gonna try to liquidate the shorts before to make the big dump, right? So how high they're gonna bring the price? Probably could be 67, yeah. 70 I think will be a lot. And right now we have this strong resistance at 64. Basically where we put the by the way, I'm gonna share my trading view. There we go. I paste it in the chat. So we have now 5 people voting, and thank you very much for everyone subscribing and clicking the like, because we are about to reach 100 subscribers. Unbelievable. I remember when we started the Spanish channel and we did the 100 subscribers. So let me refresh this and close these ones. There we go. 64. Let's see if we have high liquidity. So how you are in the market right now? You entering short, you are entering long, you are scared, you are not doing anything. What you doing with your holding? You hold strong, or you selling a little bit of your crypto? How do you think the Iran-Israel situation is important or not? Because it depends which continent are you. Maybe you don't have even news about that. Also, I heard that in US they are concerned about another hurricane, tornado. I don't know how it's called. So maybe also is passing through Mexico, right? Again, maybe Cancun, I don't know. Do you have any news about that? There we go. So what the hell? 2000 Bitcoins, 139 millions, 2 trades. What the hell? That's an insane amount of money. So there is a sign here that they want to stop the price at 64,800. 64,800, brutal. So there, I would like to place then 777. 64,777, I would like to place a short. That's for sure. I will do with the phone. I will do with the phone. That's brutal. 139 million. What the hell? And we still have the 63,950. That's quite impressive. So let me do that 64,777, and I'm going with $1,000 short. Open short. There we go. Yeah, 2,000. For me, it is not very powerful because it's not close to the price yet. But for me, it's a sign that around 65 is gonna be a strong resistance. Let's see, because normally when there is a lot of volume, this is a big investor, and they think it's gonna reach 65, and they don't want the price go higher. Welcome, Tomako. There, 130, yeah. 9, so there are a lot of hits already. Okay, I can see that it's hitting up right now, but this is quite recently, right? It's like maybe 30 minutes, something like that. Wow, this is brutal. So yeah, and then I'm keep entering short. 6444 also. and 154.9 in Solana. This one I have to review. 67. So I have to. I have a lot close to 65. Yeah, so I'm gonna bet that. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened then following hours. But the news that the Putin president is gonna meet the Iraqi Irani president this Friday, 11th of October, make me think that they think it's gonna cool down, because obviously Putin is not gonna go to Iran if they think they're gonna attack them, right? I don't understand. It's very weird. It's very weird. Yeah, we're going down, but 63 is very powerful. 63,100. They want to protect just 260 bitcoins. But look, 800. There's a lot of liquidity. That means they cannot take out. I think they can take out, but this one they taking a lot of risk because it's at 0.5% from the price. So in one click they can take all the 667 bitcoins. So that position is strong. So this 64,800 is a strong position? No, because it's 1.8%. So that will be super expensive to reach that. It's like 300 millions, but they taking the risk because is somebody suddenly buy 400 millions, they're gonna take the bitcoins, the 2,000 bitcoins. So I think is some kind of interest, and we can see here the lines where the liquidity walls are, and so they're trying to stop at 64 and then at 64 highs, like almost 65. So let's see if this is gonna keep it like this or not, and what's gonna happen when we hit for first time the 63,100. That there is gonna be the interesting part. So it's a lot of risk because they can go to liquidate shorts, but there are not so many shorts. I mean, the volume is quite high in longs. Look, there is a brutal amount of longs at 63,300, let's say, or 400. It's $25 million, so that's quite a lot. So maybe they try to liquidate these longs first. 63,400. This is very easy. I think this is done already. No, still there. So I think this we have a correction to liquidate this big amount of longs. But you see, it's not so strong. Well, no, I'm lying because this is so big that this looks small, but it's almost 15 million. So there are also shorts to liquidate. This is gonna be a festival. But right now I'm short. I still keep in my holding positions, but it depends how we react in this 62 700. That's gonna be quite important. We make higher lows and higher highs, so in hourly, so that's good, and we have a trend line, so can pump, but I think the risk is too high. And there we go. Here we have the 65,800 that they are not yet in the book. The ones is 800 is here. Let me go to 4 hourly. 800 is here. 64,800 around here. So it's not so brutal, but we have some signs there. Unbelievable. And yeah, exists the chance that we're gonna break the cap and handle. Always we have that. But yeah, that will be quite tricky, right? To break the cap and handle, to go to the 70k or the 100k, whatever you want to think, in this moment of tension, right? Probably is one of the best, because nobody expects that. Even a lot of people in the crypto market, they think they can pump, right? Because we know when Bitcoin decides to pump, it's instant and can be in a crazy situation. So if they let Bitcoin breathe, maybe can try to break this, but that if this 64,800 is keeping in the book, order book, and is getting one of these colors, then I think it's for sure that we're gonna have a correction. I don't think we're gonna. I never saw to break 2,000 bitcoins liquidity wall. Never. So the probabilities are very high, I think. Now, if we're going down, and then softly we start to going up, then probably this is gonna leave. But right now, what this order for me means that they don't want the price go like that, very strong. This is the meaning for me. So thank you very much all to be here in the English channel, because if not, I feel very lonely, because we are so still we don't have a lot of public in this channel. So thank you very much to everyone. Thank you very much for all the likes and subscriptions, and to click the notification bell. So I wish you very good luck, because I think we are in a very big opportunity now to I'm saying short the market, yeah, and buy cheap bitcoins or cheap altcoins if we have the correction during this week or next week. Let's see how many shorts they want to liquidate. So very good luck to everyone with your positions. Love, health and wealth, and see you